Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna make a volcano here. Yeah, okay, good.
Open it, but you have to open it.
But it'll come out.
Food coloring. Ah.
And it's this color.
It's called the Vesuvio Costa Mesa.
For what?
Okay,
Okay, you gotta
let's
put
go.
the vinegar.
Okay.
Pour the vinegar.
We already did.
Sure.
No,
yeah,
like
already
you're
did.
supposed to pretend like you're doing
Oh,
it.
oh yeah.
Remember?
We already did it, so we
Oh,
can pretend.
what vinegar? There you go. Burp.
Okay, so let's put this over. Now we're gonna do this over this thing. That's good.
Oop. Watch out, Isabel. What are you getting? Here we go. Whoop. What's your face? Don't put your face in there. Explosion. Poof.
Okay, it's gonna pop up. I think we have to take this off.
Okay.
Yeah, we have to take this off.
Don't put your face in there. Wow, what are you doing?
Oh, it didn't go in.
Okay, now,
Okay, take that off.
Ooh, here it comes, here it comes. It's
okay,
bubbling
put the
now.
top
More,
on.
do you
Put the
need
top
more?
on.
Yeah, we have to put more vinegar.
Jesus.
What, more of this?
Yeah, put more of that. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. It's bubbling up. Oh, I think we have to put
This
this
is not working.
Okay,
now.
no, pop.
But it was bubbling. It was
Pop-
it came all
pop
the
it
way
up.
to the top.
Take it up.
Oh! Whoa!
It worked!
Vesuvio, the red Vesuvio, oh my God. Whoa, oh, you better wipe this off before your mother sees it. Whoa. Okay, that was the Grand Vesuvio.
That was the biggest thing I've
Volcano.
ever seen in my whole entire life. Okay, do not touch that.
What? You gonna burn your
I'm gonna put this on Facebook, okay?
Yeah.